I talked about this indicator that basically shows us the trend of the market, whereby the creator of the indicator says when the indicator is actually turning from red to green, you're supposed to look for your buying opportunity. When it turns from green to red, you're supposed to look for your selling opportunity. And we saw from the statistic that the indicator most of the times loses money. Rarely does it make money, simply because, guys, we realize we're not really aware of where we're supposed to execute our trades and where we're supposed to exit our trades as well. Okay, so guys, I just wanna actually relate this to basically what is happening on live market over here, whereby you actually took your buying order and the market is basically selling. You understand me? This move can really blow your money despite of which trend you are at. Right now you are on uptrend and the indicator from this level up to this level, it really sold. Imagine holding your position, you will end up losing money. Imagine. And so guys, I've thought of something extra that we can basically add on this indicator, created, recommended by TradingView, by LuxAlgo. It will help you really know when to exit your trades and where to execute your trades as well. Okay, and so guys, what this indicator by LuxAlgo shows, number one, it shows us the target points, and those target points, if you're careful, they can show you the support and resistance level. Okay, so I've seen it's a very great indicator. That's why I'm confidently adding it with our indicator right now. Okay, and so guys, to add it, just going to click on indicators tab on tradingview.com, then just going to type target for many indicators by LuxAlgo. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this right on your chart. So the indicator, guys, what you're supposed to know about it, number one, it can show you support and resistance level, and many people do ask me, like, which level are we supposed to target? When you see these lines moving horizontally, okay, that is actually a resistance level. You understand me? And so guys, consider what is basically touched already. So where the indicator starts, that will basically say highlight that level over there. So if you're buying, you could have targeted that level, okay? And if you're selling right now, the indicator is telling you you're going to target this level over here. And once you target this level over here as well, you're supposed to ask yourself, is the market going to break below it? When it happens to be broken below, okay, you can continue holding your positions until you get to this level over here. So guys, that's how powerful this indicator is, because I saw it can be dangerous knowing well that you are actually selling and the market is going against you. You can really lose your money. Right now we are on downtrend. The market is actually selling. You can imagine someone who was actually holding their positions without knowing where to exit your trade. So the indicator right here told you you can actually target this level over here. It was broken below, and you can see, guys, it was a level whereby price had to react to, and then it got to this target point. It was broken below, and there was a structure break over here. So the indicator tells you, no, you're wrong, because it's giving you another signal here. We're supposed to exit your trades. So if you're wise, you could have exited your trades once you see the indicator plotting this, because now you should know buyers are really taking place. So you could have exited your trades right here directly. If you're buying, you target this level. If you're selling, you target this level. It was unable to break below. It was broken above. Make sure you draw all those levels. It broke above again right here, and definitely you can basically target this level. If it breaks above, you target this level as well. And so guys, the past events will help you make decisions on live market. You're going only to consider what happened in the past, extend those levels, because they are very crucial levels. And so guys, once you extend the level, for you to buy, it should be broken above, but unfortunately it was broken below. It broke below your previous one, and so the indicator tells you target this level. If it breaks below, target this level. Okay, so guys, that's how you can use this indicator to basically know when to exit your trades and where to enter your trades. More importantly, considering what happened in the past to make trading decisions on live market. Okay, that's what you're supposed to keep in mind anytime you are trading. That's why I've added you something extra that will help you make better trading decisions when it comes to using this kind of indicator. Okay, it can work with these two indicators, but as well, if you add another indicator, they're going to work for you. Okay, so guys, I would love to explain something that I saw on 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, this is 15 minutes time frame, and basically guys, you're buying because you think the market is actually an uptrend, and boom, the market really sells aggressively. So if you're not wise, you could have lose your money. So guys, let's say you bought, you are supposed to exit at this level over here where the indicator shows you, but if you fail to do that, price can really go against you. Use past events to make trading decisions on live market. Once price broke below this one and below this one, that tells you the market can really reverse, and it indeed reverse to the downside. So guys, that's how you're supposed to use this indicator. They're working great in each and every time frame, 1 minute up to monthly time frame. They're working perfectly. Make sure you are actually aware of the trend of the market and where to exit your trades. This happens most of the times whereby you can lose money even if you're following the trend of the market. But knowing where to exit and where you're supposed to enter your trades, that is basically all you really need, okay? Like for instance here, the market was actually on uptrend. We can basically see this, all of us. And so these levels can work as your support level. So if you're buying, the indicator tells you you should have targeted these levels over here. And guys, you can see the market really sold up to this level. And if you're not careful, the price can actually go below even your entry point. Don't forget you're buying. But when price came to this level still, I told you can use past events to make trading decisions on live market. It was broken below. It tells you to target this level. Unfortunately, it was broken above. Here they were broken above, and once they're broken above, you should know the market is actually on uptrend. So guys, that's how you can use this simple indicator by LuxAlgo, showing you the target points when you're trading Forex, when you're trading crypto, when you're trading stocks, anything tradable. This will basically work for you with any indicator. So you can combine the targets by LuxAlgo with any other indicator because they're working great for you, and they're going to show you when and where you're supposed to exit your trades. Because I found when using that indicator directly, because the owner of the indicator, he was actually saying that you can use the manual strategy where you're supposed to exit your trades directly when you're on uptrend and directly when you're on downtrend. Don't forget, something like this can happen, okay? You can really lose your money, but when you know when to exit your trades, you're basically going to maximize the accuracy of this indicator, because rarely would the market move or rather reacts the way he actually explained when he was actually creating this indicator, okay? So guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. The indicator, they are very super free, found on TradingView. They are called the LuxAlgo targets for many indicators, and the other one is called the imbalance algo. Use them, combining the two, to know where you're supposed to exit your trades and where you're supposed to enter your trades as well. That's what matters, guys, and that's why many people lose money, because number one, they never knew when to enter their trades. Number two, they never knew where to exit their trades. That's why they do lose money many times, okay? So guys, that's what I had for today. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video as well. So guys, I believe you really need this kind of content as far as forex trading is concerned, and the only way is actually subscribing, joining the family. Road to 10k subscribers. I can't wait to see you as counting. Okay, so guys, I don't have much to say. Success in everything you do. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. So what do I say, guys? Bye bye. See you in my next video.